Hello people of the internet, welcome back to Riggin' Woods. Today, super excited. We are actually gonna hit the trails today, long awaited. So today we are at Rainbow Falls. So this is a riding area, lots of Jeep trails over in this area. I do suggest getting here pretty early. It definitely is pretty busy today and we're here at 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. and it's gonna be a really awesome, beautiful day in Colorado. Today I think it said it's supposed to be close to 80. So I figured we'd bring Granny out here. We'll probably hit some snow, we'll probably hit some mud, but it's gonna be overall a really good time. So go ahead and join us for the next few minutes and see what Rainbow Falls is all about. Thanks everybody. Rainbow Falls is a 4x4 trail nested between Woodland Park, Colorado and Deckers, Colorado. Most of the terrain is hard-packed, but there are some challenging sections and rugged hill climbs with some mud pits. One of the draws of the area is a popular rock crawling section known as Moab Hill. In this video, you will see some of those challenging sections of Rainbow Falls, as well as my amazing fiancée Kylie doing some driving while I work the camera, and of course, our four-legged friend Gibson. Let's see what this adventure has in store for us. As I said earlier, this is an extremely popular trail during the weekends and weather permitting. I wanted to show this section in particular because I wanted to show you guys how busy it actually does get. On the left, you can actually see a line of cars heading up to Moab Hill to climb the obstacle. At this point, I looked down at my gas gauge, decided to exit Rainbow Falls, fuel up, and return, hoping for some better results to climb the hill. Once we filled the tank and returned to the area, you could see smiles on all of our faces, including Gibson on this gorgeous day. Again, in this piece, I wanted to show how truly busy it is during the weekend at Rainbow Falls. You can see me here at the back, and we have one Jeep waiting for me, and a side-by-side passing by, all in the same frame. When I reach the top of this small obstacle, you can see several groups passing me by on the trail. If you do decide to four-wheel Rainbow Falls, just be on the lookout for others, and follow the rules of wheeling. Alright, now that we're at the top of the trail, with Moab Hill just behind the line of vehicles, it is abundantly clear how busy it does get during the weekend. Here you can see a few Jeeps, soon a taco, and others waiting in line to do the obstacle. At this point, I chose to pass on Moab Hill given that it was so busy, I had to wait in line, and lastly, my air compressor gave out so I couldn't air up or air down my tires. Maybe next time I'll tackle it if it's not so busy. I really hope you enjoyed this video of Kylie, Gibson, Granny the Jeep, and I. Until the next trail, please comment, subscribe, like this video, and I'd be very grateful. Thanks everybody.